Hello everyone, my name is Anushri Gajbiye, student of the Brit Science Institute in a batch of 17 of a pharma. Today I will tell you about the blood pressure. Blood pressure is the circulating blood against the walls and a blood vessel. Most of this pressure result from the heart pumping blood through the circulatory system, and when used without qualification, then a term blood pressure and refers to the pressure in artery, that means artery, and where it is a most commonly measured. Blood pressure is usually expressed in terms of the systolic pressure. That means the systolic pressure means maximum pressure during on a heartbeat. Then over diastolic pressures, it means a minimum pressure between two heartbeats. And the blood pressure in the cardiac cycles means a diastolic pressures in the cardiac cycle. It is measured in a millimeter for the mercury, and above the surrounding atmospheric pressure in pulse pressure. And while the average pressure average pressure during cardiac cycle is known as mean arterial pressure. And blood pressure is one of the vital signs, together with respiratory rate, heart rate, and oxygen saturation, and blood temperature. The the blood pressure is influenced by cardiac output, then systematic vascular resistance, and blood volume, and arterial stiffness, and various depending on patient's situation and emotional state, then activity and relevant health on a disease state. In the short term, blood pressure is regulated by the biorespirators, then which act VI means VI the brain to influence the nervous and endocrine system. The blood pressure that is low is called hypotension, and pressure that is that means constantly too high as called hypertension. And the normal pressure is called normalization, means normotensions. And both hypertension and hypotension, means hypertension and hypotension, and the normal pressure is called normotension. And both hypertension and hypotension have many causes, and maybe sudden onset of a long duration. A long term hypertension is a risk factor for many disease, and including stroke, heart disease, and kidney failure. The long term hypertension is more common than long term hypertension. then disorder of the blood pressure. Disorder of a blood pressure is a control including high blood pressure, low blood pressure, and blood pressure that shows a excessive of a excessive of a then then the pulmonary pressure. The pulmonary pressure is normally the pressure is the pulmonary artery is about the 15 at rest. Increased blood pressure in the capillaries of the lungs cases, and pulmonary hypertension, then leading to intestinal edema. Then if the pressure increase to above 20 millimeter Hg, and to pulmonary edema at pressure about 25 millimeter Hg.